Today we're going to be making a design that you can use on social media. It's going to be 4x5 and it will feature these custom made soaps. And so if you're into that, if that is your product, then this is a fun way for you to showcase that product and make it free using Canva. So here we are in Canva. I will go and click create a design, custom design, and for the 4x5 Instagram post, it's 1080 by 1350. So I want to select that. So now here we have our canvas. The first thing I'm going to do is to add my product. So under uploads, you would go ahead and upload your files here, but I already did that. So I'm going to add the soap package first, and then I'm also going to add the soap itself. So just resize those a bit like this, and we're going to have the soap on the bottom, which I'll rotate a little bit here because we're going to kind of stack them on top of each other, and then the soap on the top is going to fit on top of it like this. Maybe bring this down a bit, rotate it a little more like that. Right, so for now that's okay. Next up, we want to add the background. So I want to use this picture of the beach as the background. So I'll size it up on the canvas, bring it like that to make sure it covers everything. And then I want to actually blur this out a bit. So go to edit image, see all, and then blur it like that. That's looking good. And now I want to add, I think maybe the soaps are a bit too big, because remember, for 4x5 posts on Instagram, what you'll see as a preview in your feed is actually 1:1, which is 1080 by 1080. So you want to ensure that your product is within the middle of the screen there, so that when it crops it on the feed, you'll be able to see them clearly. Okay, so that's looking good. The next thing I want to do is to add the stone here, something for the soaps to be standing on. So here I have a picture of part of a stone that I took down off of high clip art, and now I can just resize this, drag it onto the canvas. Let me just make it a bit bigger. Then I want to send it backwards, and now you can see the soap standing on top of the rock here. Now to make this look more realistic, we need to add a shadow here and a shadow right here. So I'll go ahead and import my shadow element. If you don't have a shadow element, you can go ahead and download one from the internet, PNG, or if you have Canva Pro, you can easily create one by using a circle. I'm keeping this accessible to everyone, so I do not have Canva Pro right now. So I'll just be using this method. But just drag your shadow down like this. Then you just want to decrease the transparency of it, just like that, so that you have a small shadow underneath your soaps. Duplicate this. Oh no, sorry. Where is it? I want to duplicate the shadow and drag it all the way up here, then rotate it, send it to back, send backward. I want it behind the soap, and then just resize it so that it's just going to be peeking out ever so slightly. I want to be able to catch it right. So just something like that So you can see it resting here and resting on the rock. Now to finish this off, what I'm going to add is just a little bit of light. So under the Elements tab, I select the light element and I can just drag it here, make it a bit larger, and then I like to blur it a little bit. And just like that, you have a really nice image that you can post on social media for your custom made soaps. I will now go ahead and download this. So I go to File, Download, PNG, and then hit download. Now you can open up your image and take a look at it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Do let me know in the comment section if you have any questions about this or if there's anything you'd like for me to go over. Also, share this with anyone you think it might help, because being able to make stuff like this can really set you apart in your business. Have yourself a blessed day.